Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to find your RCBC account number, don't worry because I'm here to help. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two easy methods to locate your RCBC account number. So let's get started. First up is online banking. This is the quickest and most efficient way to check your account details. Start by visiting the RCBC official website at www.rcbc.com. And once you're there, scroll down and find the online banking section. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a page where you can download the RCBC online banking app. This app is a game changer. It allows you to manage transactions like sending or receiving money, checking your bank statements, and of course, finding your account number. You can download the app directly from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Just ensure you're using the link from the official RCBC website for security. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, log in with your details. After logging in, navigate through the app to locate your account number. It's super convenient and I highly recommend setting up online banking if you haven't already. Now, if online banking isn't an option for you, don't worry, there is another method. You can reach out to RCBC's customer support for assistance. To do this, go to the RCBC website and head to the Contact Us section. Here, you'll find various contact options, including hotline numbers for domestic calls, credit card inquiries, and more. Call their customer support team and they'll guide you through retrieving your account number. If calling isn't convenient, RCBC also offers support through their official social media pages. You can send them a message on their Facebook page via Messenger or contact them on Twitter. They're responsive and can assist with account-related queries, including helping you locate your account number. And that's it. Two straightforward methods to find your RCBC account number, whether it's through online banking or customer support. You've got reliable options to get the information you need. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.